Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is July the 23rd and I'm using my master scalper trading system. System has the master scalper, that's this moving average that changes from blue to red, and it also has the super signal indicator, that's these arrows. You will get an audio sound and this pop-up box suggesting either buy or sell alerts. Now every morning at 6 o'clock approximately, I'm in front of the computer trading the continuation of the London market going into the New York market. I am looking at all the different instruments, and of course I'm looking at my daily trade plan. And of course once I figure out whether I should be buying and or selling, I will manually put in this white arrow. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor. It's running in real time. It analyzes from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes and does a bunch of calculations, and within the comments here it'll say either look for bullish trades, bearish trades, and sometimes it'll say preferred. And of course if the market is somewhat flat, it'll say something like this: not enough strength. Now if you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one very good reason why you are still struggling. If you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. Now we can take a look at some of these trades. First trade it did was the dollar CAD. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Now when I close out the trades, I'm just looking at the total down here, and once I have a feeling I am at least 200 pips and or ticks to the good, I'll just close out all the trades. And I closed them all out around the same time. This one, when I closed it out on the dollar CAD, it was negative, but if I would have exercised just a little bit more patience, it would have turned into a nice winner. So let's see, I could have made about 10 pips, but when I closed it out here, I was at that point in time negative. Well, looks like 4. So that's negative 4 pips. That's why you see a minus $7. Remember, every trader has some losers, but the trick is keep your losers as small as possible and let your winners grow. So as long as you are profitable every day, then you will be a very happy trader like I am. And remember, you will be needing a lot of education to succeed at trading. If you look right below this video, you will see 5 things that you need to succeed at trading. So let's move along to the next trade, which is the euro dollar. This one I sold it. Let's see where I got in at first of all. Now another tool I highly recommend you get your hands on, and it is, you'll see more information about it below this video, is this Fibonacci tool. All you got to do is click on this tab. You'll go from swing high to swing low. There's your pullback. It hit entry number 2. And usually if it hits the entries, any of these entry points, it would usually, there's no guarantee, usually it'll hit 2, 3, 4, 5. On this day it hit target 3, and it could easily go all the way down to target number 10. So this is where I actually saw it. You can only take the trade where you see it. And I closed it out at this point being happy, looks like with 6 pips. And it should be 6 pips because the euro dollar pays $10 for each pip because the USD is on the right hand side. So 6 pips paid out $60. So like I said, I recommend you get this FibMaster tool. It is 10 times much better. Well, let's just say it's a lot better than the one that comes default within the MT4 platform. Keep in mind, all my systems, along with this FibMaster tool, only works on the MT4, not the MT5. And if you have any questions regarding this Fib tool, well, just get in contact with me. Okay, let's move on to the EuroCAD. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Here it is right here. Got in at this point, close it out here, just being happy. And I was happy with, looks like 10 pips, paying out $72. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro Yen. Another one I sold. Let's drag and drop this up. See where I got in at. Bit of a pullback right here. Got the arrow from the super signal. Well, I knew I was going to get something, and that's all I'm looking for. Not looking for 100 or 200 pips. Looks like I locked in around 30, and those 30 pips paid out $192. Moving on to the next trade, which is crude oil. Crude oil now pays $10 for each tick. They're called ticks. Looking at the money, easy to see this should be 35 ticks. So let's drag and drop this up. I knew when I was looking at the charts, actually right from this point, along with this arrow, and this arrow, I knew it was going to go down, and down it went. So I took the trade. If I was in the trade right now, I'd be up around 68, but I was happy with those 35, and there it is right there. 35 ticks paying out $350. Trading is easy and a lot of fun once you learn how to trade and have all the proper tools and you have a good system. But that is very difficult to find. But once you find it, you master it, then you'll be part of the 5% of the traders who are succeeding. Moving on to the next trade, which is Russell. Here we go. Russell pays $10 for each tick. Looking at money, this should be 43 ticks. So let's run a check on it. Arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal, the scalper, everything is saying to sell. And at this point, I knew the party was over. So time to close out the trade with and get whatever the market will give you. And I was happy at this point in time with 43. It's giving me a hard time. But that's as close as I can show. But it is 43 ticks paying out $430. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the DAX 30. Now the DAX 30 pays $3.75 for each tick, so I took the money, divided it by that number. Calculator says it's approximately 510. Let's drag and drop this up, and let's see if I can show that 510. I doubt it, but I'll get pretty close to it, unless I drop it down to the 5 minutes. But what do they say? 510. Oh, definitely. Let's see if I drop it down to the 5 minutes. Let's see. On the 5 minutes, we also had the scalper, the arrows. So I took the trade at this cursor. Should be able to get closer to 510. There it is right there. 510 ticks paying out $1,912. Love my master scalper system. It is the best one I have so far. And remember, every time I come out with a new system, it's always just a little bit better than the one before. So, I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and ticks, mainly because of this DAX 30. Grand total came to 630 pips and ticks, and that ended up paying out $3,010. So if your system's not producing like my master scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it. Don't forget about the daily trade plan, and don't forget about the Fibmaster tool. Now if you have any questions, quite simple, all you got to do is get in contact with me. That's easy to do. All you have to do is look right below this video. You'll see in the description a banner, the word more. Just click on that. Another window will open up, and then you'll get my contact information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. That's what I don't mind. I will answer the phone unless I'm busy or not available, of course. But like I said, phone me, or you can send me an email. Now I do prefer Skype. I made it easy for you. Even if you think you don't have Skype, all you got to do is click on the link below this video. Skype invite. We'll have a Skype connection, and at that point I can answer your questions. Also, you'll see in the description there's 4 different packages. I do charge $250 for each package, and my special offer is if you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 for free. So you may as well grab it while it's still available. So it's just about time to wrap up this video, and of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day, good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.